Welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about the complete precedence and associativity chart in Python, and we do some practice examples for better understanding of how expressions are evaluated. These are very important to understand. Many of the placement questions you are going to get. So now coming to the complete precedence and associativity chart, this is what the Python precedence and associativity chart is. See, the highest precedence is brackets. Brackets is having the highest precedence, and the lowest precedence is assignment operators, equal to, plus or equal to, minus or equal to. So this is how highest to lowest precedence. It is coming from highest to lowest precedence. And the associativity conditions are given like this. See, brackets is having the highest precedence, and for brackets the associativity is left to right. For this is power symbol, star is going to be power symbol. The associativity is right to left. Like this associative chart is given. Using this precedence and associativity chart, we need to evaluate the expressions. In our previous class, we clearly discussed about the examples. Please watch our previous class and come back here. We already executed some examples. This is complete chart. Using this chart, now we do some more examples. Now coming to the examples, see here, 2 power, the first one is 2 power 3 power 2. See, in between these two operators, we are in this between two values, we are having an operator of power, and in between these two we are having an operator of power. Now check the precedence. Both power is having the same precedence. Now check the associativity. What is the associativity for a power operation? Right to left. Means evaluation has to happen from right side to left side. So now coming to the evaluation, see which one it is going to happen. It has to happen in between right side to left side. Okay, see 3 power 2, this has to happen first. What is 3 power 2? 3 is 9. 2 power 9, then next this has to happen. This is how it is going to evaluate. What is 2 power 9? 512. So your output should be 512. Now coming to the second example, 8 ampersand 4 greater than 2. Now check the precedence and associative chart. 8 ampersand means bitwise AND operation, and greater than symbol is relational operator. So out of these two, which one is having highest precedence? Ampersand is having highest precedence. Means bitwise AND operation is having highest precedence when compared to relational operator greater than. So which one is going to do first? AND operation is going to be happen first. So according to this, which one is going to be happen? 8 ampersand 4, bitwise AND operation between 8 and 4. What is the output you are going to get? You are going to get an output of 0. 0 greater than 2 and true. Now when you check this operation, 0 greater than 2 and greater than and is logical AND operator. Now check the precedence and associative chart. See, greater than is having highest precedence when compared to the logical AND. This is logical AND. So which one is going to execute first? Greater than is going to be executed first. So from this, which one is going to be executed? See, 0 greater than 2, which is false. So here you got output of false. False and true, it is going to be false. So the final output is false. This is how expressions are evaluated. Now let's take one more big example. You are going to understand the use of brackets with this example. Let's take this age is equal to 25, role is equal to user. This is the data which we have, and the expression that need to be evaluated is two types of expressions we have provided. Let's understand both. With this you are going to understand what's the use of brackets. See here this entire expression, this sub part of the expression is provided in brackets. Brackets is having the highest precedence, so this part of expression is going to be evaluated first. In this part it is going to check the associativity and precedence part. See, age less than 18 or less than symbol is relational operator or is a logical operator. Which one is having highest precedence? See, less than is having highest precedence when compared to the logical or. So which is going to be executed first? Age less than 18 is going to be executed first. Age less than 18, this is going to be done first. See, what is our age? 25. 25 less than 18? False. So it is going to provide you false. Now false or age equal to 25 or and this is relational operator equal to, or and relational operator equal to, which is going to have the highest precedence? Equal to is having the highest precedence when compared to or. So which expression is going to be evaluated? Age equal to 25. 25 equal to 25. Yes, true. So this expression is going to give you true value. Now in between the bracket we have false or true. False or true, which is going to give you an output of this entire expression. Sub expression is going to give you an output of true. True and role is equal to admin. This and is a logical operator, equal to is relational operator. Which one is having the highest precedence? Equal to is having highest precedence when compared to the logical and. So equal to is going to be executed first. So now it is going to execute role equal to admin. What is the role? We have user. User equal to admin. No, false. So this expression is going to give you false. And this bracket expression is giving you true. True and false, which is going to be false. So the complete expression is going to give you an output of false. That is how it is going to execute. Suppose if you remove the brackets from this expression, the same expression, above expression, we have removed the bracket. Let's understand how it is going to execute. So age less than 18, less than or, which is going to have a highest precedence. Less than and or, when you check the less than symbol, this is relational operator and or is logical operator. Relational operator is having highest precedence. So from this it is going to execute age less than 18. This is going to be evaluated first, which is going to give you 25 less than 18, which is false. False. False or age equal to 25 or and equal to, which is having highest precedence? Equal to is having highest precedence. So age equal to 25, 25 equal to 25, which is going to give you true. Now or and equal to, which is having highest precedence? Equal to is having highest precedence when compared to and or. So which is going to evaluate first? Equal to is going to be evaluated first. So when you check the operation, role equal to, see here where we are having this role equal to, this statement is going to be role equal to admin. What is the value that is present in the role? User. User equal to admin. No, false. So it is going to give you false. Then we are having false or true and false. So in between or and, logical and logical or, which is having highest precedence? See, logical and is having highest precedence when compared to logical or. So which two expressions are going to be evaluated then? Now it is going to execute true and false. These two are evaluated first. True and false. False. Now finally false or false. You are going to get false. This is how it is going to execute the relational operators. This expression evaluation is going to be done using precedence and associative conditions. Hope you got a good clarity. In our coming, you please visit our website www.wisdomers.in. In that website, we are going to provide you a quiz on operators and precedence in order to have a better understanding about precedence and associativity. We are going to provide you a quiz. If you solve that quiz, you will have a good understanding, deeper understanding of the subject you are going to get. That understanding it is going to be helpful in solving the placement questions and writing the logics. It's very, very important for placement. Hope you got good clarity. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.